This ebook is designed specially for railway and SSC Steno exams. A lot of contractions and advanced physiographics are used for speedy writing. For the convenience of students, this ebook is designed on A4 sheets and it is printable. We highly recommend you practice it thoroughly. You can collect the ebook from the link given in the description box below.
Lastly, it was contended on behalf of appellants that, considering the fact that all the accused were co-villagers of the witnesses and well known from before, the naming of some of the appellants by only few of the witnesses and not all should have been treated to be a significant factor to grant acquittal on the basis of benefit of doubt. Reliance was placed upon the judgment of this court in the case of Masalti, etc. versus State of Uttar Pradesh, AIR 1965, SC 202, wherein it has been held that no doubt trustworthy evidence of a single witness may be enough to convict accused persons in appropriate cases, but where a criminal court is dealing with evidence pertaining to an offence involving large number of offenders and a large number of victims, it is usual to adopt the test of support by two or three or more witnesses if they give a consistent account of the incident. The court approved such a test after noticing that it may appear to be mechanical, but its use in appropriate cases cannot be treated as irrational or unreasonable. In order to assist this court to apply such a test in the present case, detailed notes and charts have also been furnished to indicate individual cases of appellants in respect of evidence of eyewitnesses appearing against them, their weapon, and alleged specific role. On the other hand, learned counsel for the informant and also learned counsel for the state have placed reliance upon judgments of trial court and the High Court, and have submitted that the oral as well as documentary evidence has received due consideration by both the courts, and in the facts of the case no interference is required with the concurrent findings of guilt recorded against the appellants. It was highlighted on behalf of prosecution that when large number of accused persons had run after the deceased and indulged in indiscriminate assault resulting into death of 4 persons in open field and serious injuries to the informant, the witnesses cannot be expected to notice, remember, and depose the individual acts committed by different accused persons vis-a-vis the 5 victims. It was pointed out on behalf of prosecution that medical evidence and the injuries have been correctly noted by the trial court, which show that firearm injuries were found on as many as 3 deceased, namely Nagu Singh, from whose dead body 2 pellets were recovered, one from the wrist of the left arm and one from the stomach. Deceased Inder Singh, from whose back part of the body 12 pellets were recovered, and deceased Bapu Singh, who was found to have sustained a gunshot injury on the jaw, from which 66 pellets were taken out along with a plastic circular cap. Pellets were also taken out from the brain. For this purpose, according to prosecution, the courts below have analyzed the ocular evidence in detail and have also noticed recovery of different weapons from the accused persons. Therefore, as per their submission, the conviction of the appellants requires no interference.
If you have liked the video, hit the like button and consider subscribing.